I was out back watering. Back, buddy. And the baby bird is back. We're going to rescue it again for the second time today. Let me put my binoculars on. Right down there. Hey, baby. Hi, baby. Buddy, no. It's the baby bird, buddy. No, buddy. Okay. Okay, we've got the bird and the... buddy, leave the baby bird alone. Okay, I'm going to pick it up on the leaf instead. It might feel better on the leaf. You be nice, buddy. Buddy, easy. You be nice. Not easy, buddy, no. You be nice, boy. We don't want to hold it too high so it falls onto the ground. Okay. Putting it back where I had it this morning, where there's food and shelter. Okay. 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 It's gonna be okay. Okay. Small bird. We have worms down here. I know we have some worms. Here's worms. We got some worms. Anyway, there's one worm. Right there. Nobody. Nobody. Bit the worm in half. Awesome. Where'd it go? Let's get another worm. Right here. Buddy, no! No! Buddy, no. That's not your baby bird. That's my baby. That's our baby bird.